Airtable is a popular productivity and time management tool that many businesses and individuals are considering for organizing their work. But before you make that decision, there are a few things you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of whether Airtable is right for you, or if another solution might be a better fit. First off, Airtable's flexibility is one of its major selling points. It's not just a project management tool, it's more like a customizable database. Whether you're managing tasks, projects, or inventories, you can set it up to meet your exact needs. But if you're used to more traditional project management tools like Asana or Trello, Airtable's learning curve can be a bit steep. It's great for those who need a high level of customization, but it might feel overwhelming at first if you're used to simpler tools. The second thing is Airtable's interface. It's visually appealing with a grid layout that's easy to navigate. You can also switch between different views, like Kanban, Calendar, and Gallery, which makes it versatile. But compared to other tools, it might feel like there's a lot of clicking around. If you're looking for something more streamlined, you might find it slightly frustrating. Next thing to know is Airtable's powerful integration options. It works seamlessly with other popular tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Zapier. This is a huge plus for teams already using these tools. However, this also means that the free version comes with limited integrations. If you want full access to all integrations, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. The fourth thing is the pricing model. Airtable does offer a free plan, but it comes with some pretty significant limitations in terms of storage and features. For example, you're limited to 1,200 records per base and only a few integrations. When compared to other tools like Monday, Calm, or Notion, you might find Airtable's pricing to be a bit high for what you get on lower tier plans. Next, Airtable offers powerful automation features that let you automate workflows without needing to write any code. This is great for teams that want to save time on repetitive tasks. However, the automation features are also locked behind higher tier plans, which might not be ideal if you're on a budget. The sixth thing is the mobile app. Airtable does offer a mobile version, but it's not quite as smooth as its desktop counterpart. If you're planning to use Airtable on the go, be prepared for a less than perfect experience, especially when working with large databases or complex views. Next up, Airtable excels at collaboration. It's easy to invite team members, assign tasks, and track progress all in real time. If you're working on a team project, this can be incredibly useful. But if you're used to tools like ClickUp or Teamwork, where communication and task management are more tightly integrated, Airtable might feel like it's missing a few key collaborative features. The eighth thing is its templates. Airtable comes with a lot of templates for everything from content calendars to project management boards, which can save you time. But while they're helpful, they might not always meet your specific needs. If you want to heavily customize your workflows, you'll spend a lot of time building from scratch. Next, Airtable allows for extensive data visualization, which is useful for understanding trends and patterns in your data. You can create charts, graphs, and reports, which makes it great for data-driven teams. But for those not dealing with large data sets, these features might feel unnecessary and add to the complexity. The 10th thing to consider is Airtable's customer support. While they offer a robust help center and community forum, live support is only available for premium users. This is a significant downside if you're working with a free or mid-tier plan and run into issues. Next, Airtable allows for different permissions and access levels, which is important for teams working on sensitive projects. You can control who has access to what data, but if you need highly detailed permission settings, this might not be as advanced as other tools like Wrike or ClickUp. The 12th thing to mention is the overall user experience. Airtable is powerful and customizable, but it's not the simplest tool to jump into. If you're new to productivity software or need a quick setup, tools like Notion or Trello may be a better starting point. But for those who need serious customization and are willing to invest time learning the platform, Airtable is a great choice. Overall, Airtable is a solid option for businesses that need a flexible, customizable solution for managing projects and data. But if you're looking for a tool that's easier to set up and use with more affordable pricing, you might want to check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.